Okay, so we're coming to communion and confirmation time, and that's the busiest time of the year with bouncing castles. And that's when you have to be careful about where you hire it and who you hire it from. I think everybody needs to pay attention for the sake of your children and the people you're hiring it from, because they haven't a clue. You need to have responsibility in that area. I think we have a safety standard called EN 14960, and most bouncy castle operators in the country comply with this, with their equipment. It's a European standard. It is necessary that they comply with it, and they're also insured. Now, how do you know whether they're insured or not? That's quite hard. You have every right, in fact you have a responsibility to ask on behalf of your children. Ask the operator you're hiring your castle from, are they insured, and can you see proof of their insurance? That's a simple document given by the insurance company to them. They can email it to you, they can WhatsApp it to you, and also ask them, does the bouncy castle have a current safety cert? And that confirms compliance with an EU standard, a safety standard that's been developed over many years and accepted throughout Europe, and that's really important to keep your children safe. That local hirer listed on the IIHF website has gone to the trouble of having his equipment certified. He's gone to the trouble and expense of paying for insurance, because if you don't have insurance and something, in the unlikely event of something happening, you have no comeback whatsoever. So you really need to pay attention to that. Both legislators, adults, and you in particular have a responsibility to your children who haven't a clue, and they rely on you to keep them safe.